What's up guys, this is Alex for Licked, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys exactly how to edit audio in Vegas Pro 17. Alright guys, so as you can see right now we are in Vegas Pro 17 and this is basically the track that I'm going to use today, which is called Halo, and you can also license this track on licked.co. The link is in the description obviously. Alright, so this is just a MP3 file that I dragged into my timeline. So if you want to understand how to edit audio, that's basically how to trim things down and like speed things up maybe and all that, because we're not gonna apply any effects on it because these videos will come later on. In this video we're gonna only stick to like, you know, time matching and you know, cutting and splitting and regrouping and all that. Alright, so let's pretend that our goal is going to be a really short segment of this clip for an intro. So let's just browse a little bit through the song and let's see which part would be the best for that. Beautiful. Alright, I think that one sounds very nice. So what we're going to do first of all is to make it start right here is we're going to press S on our keyboard so we can actually press the delete key because this one becomes loose. So now we're going to drag this to the beginning of our timeline and let's just create a fade in, which basically it fades in from softer to louder. So what we can do is we can put our cursor and we're going to place it on that little icon on the very left until it says fade in offset, and we're going to also create that fade by right before the actual song kicks in. It's all for you, Halo. It's all for you, Halo, Halo. And when she says Halo a second time, it's all for you, Halo, Halo. Right here when the song stops, we're gonna also press S because we know that that is where we want the intro to end. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the very end of the song and let's see if we can actually like copy and paste the end part so it sounds a little bit more natural than just instead of like just cut off like all of a sudden. Okay, so let's press S on our keyboard so we can also delete that middle part, and let's drag on this end clip to the first one we have. So right now it is just basically a matter of timing. It's all for you, Halo, Halo. Okay, I think that one sounds pretty good for an intro. So if you want to go ahead and group these two because you don't want to like drag this one around, for example, and then oh, this one is gonna stay there all of a sudden. What you want to do is press Ctrl Z to do any unwanted changes, and then we're gonna hold left control on our keyboard and we're gonna make sure that we will select it. This becomes white, as you can see. So then what we need to do is have two options. We can right click on the clip and we can create on group and click on create new, or we can just press the G button on our keyboard, which I'm going to do right now. So now if I go ahead and drag these around, these will stay together no matter where you position them on your actual project or timeline. These are now grouped, and that's basically how to edit audio. If you want to go ahead and trim things down, you can group them again and you can just create these awesome fade-ins. Now if you want to see a video how to add add certain effects and echo and delay and reverb, and how to pitch audio higher or lower, and how to basically mix audio in general, make sure to stay tuned guys. That tutorial is coming really soon. So if you want to license this track, the Motive and Halo, make sure to check out licked.co. The link is down below, and that is it guys. So guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. If you would like to see more tutorials, make sure to subscribe down below to the Licked YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to also follow us on social media. Links are in the description down below. If you would like to license the track I used in this video or other commercial tracks, head over to the Licked website, which is in the description down below. And we will see you guys obviously next time.